Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 14th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is rebounding. It's technically rebounding a little bit. So we are up $15.46. Post-market, we closed at 662.67. Post-market, we are down 87 cents at 661.80. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday we have a big drop down yesterday, and we are basically going sideways today. So even though we are up a little bit, basically this is just noise because we are really going sideways. The high is pretty much the same and the low is a little bit lower. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. The first hour of the day was right here. So we opened right here, quite higher than 644, went super down and then came right back up, went up for an additional 2 hours, and now we are settling down to a support at 659. We are just a little bit above that support. We don't have stochastic over 60 yet. We should not be going up so soon. Without stochastic, even if there's a little bit of a blimp up, without a good stochastic, this means nothing. It's really possible that we either continue sideways or go down. Going back on the daily chart, stochastic at 24, quite low at 24. We still have the MACD breakover bullish, and everything else we don't have. We don't have RSI over 50. And DMI, of course, we don't have it. If you watch my videos, that DMI is something that is providing us a long-term vision of what the stock is going to do. Yeah, the stock is not ready at all to show us some bullish moves. So in terms of the volatility of the S&P 500, this is a good barometer. When the volatility is increasing, the stocks are decreasing. We had a big increase on Monday, so that made a bunch of stocks plunge. Right now, in terms of volatility, it's just going sideways. It's not going sideways. So we made a higher low and a lower high. So we have a little bit of stability there. Looking at Dow Jones, closed lower than yesterday. That's interesting to see. S&P closer, lower than yesterday. Nasdaq Composite just a little bit higher in terms of the close, but basically going sideways and making a lower high and a lower low. So it's really going lower. And the Nasdaq 100, the lower high and lower low also. So Nasdaq 100, this one has a nice chart because it fits perfectly this support that we have right here. But there's no indication that we are going to go up yet and bounce on that yet. Let's go to Tesla again. So Tesla is now above 644, but in terms of important support and resistance, there's nothing really strong that is keeping it at that level. We have a nice support at 619. 619, we used 619 in June of 2021. Look at how 619 was used as resistance and further at support. So 619 was an important number that was used for several months. So it would make sense to me that we should go back down to 619 at least, because this is a real support. Right now at 644, it does not really fit with the nice, clean, important support that much. So 619, and if we have weakness again in the market for the rest of the week, the next significant support is 561. So it's not impossible that we reach that. It just depends on the strength of the market. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.